Hello and welcome to Boboja Reloaded. Please kindly subscribe to our channel on YouTube for more news updates. Don't forget to also share our stories for your social media friends and partners. Shatta Wale kisses Stonebwoy at Peace Conference. Shatta Wale and Stonebwoy's Peace Conference is underway at Marriott Hotel in Accra. Everyone is happy that these long-time enemies are finally friends. In speeches delivered by the duo, they all called on fans to come together and shun the fight. A lot of people have said that the peace between the two can never hold, but from the look of things, this peace can really go a long way. It got to a point in time when Shatta Wale planted a kiss on Stonebwoy's cheek. The Shatta movement boss simply loves kissing too much, I guess. But entirely, it's a great expression of love. We all pray and hope that all efforts put together into this Shatta Wale Stonebwoy piece doesn't go waste. At that time when Stonebwoy received the kiss from Shatta Wale, I was just imagining what Wendy Shay was thinking in her head. I was also imagining what Mrs. Louisa Seclete Stonebwoy was also imagining. Stonebwoy later after the kiss screamed he is not gay. Let's take a look at how the whole thing went about, and please don't forget to share your comments with us whether this peace and unity between Shatta Wale and Stonebwoy can stay or last longer, or it is just a mere mind games. Were they really rivals? Did Stonebwoy really mean pulling the gun on Shatta Wale? Don't you think it's a media game they are playing with our minds? Please share your comments with us and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more news updates. Thank you very much for watching Boboja Reloaded.